GM everyone. Welcome to the Builder Showcase number 6. Wow. We came so far, and today I welcome Blessing from South Africa,
Hey,
and today my co-host. Hi Blessing, great to have you here. How excited are
hi.
you for today's
I'm
Builder
super
Showcase?
excited, and I've been looking at the projects that's been built. It's gonna be amazing today.
Yeah, and also a little shout out here in the beginning. to to the hackathon that you hosted, because there were like some Farcaster quiz apps that we reviewed this morning. Not all of them are in proof of ship, but I'm looking forward to see them all in proof of ship in the next month, and also active on Farcaster. So yeah, congratulations on a successful hackathon there. Let's get started right away. Today we have our builder showcase on the builder stage, which is part of the ETH activation. Settles now an L2 on the OP stack. Settler is focused on real world application, consumer application with very cheap gas fees, like substance fees, and 1 second block finality. And just a reminder, make sure you sign up for proof of ship number 6. Today we will see a lot of like the top 20 projects from proof of ship 5. And if you want to be on the stage, make sure you apply and build something very cool, build out your project, and get rewards. Proof of ship is not the only contest like reward stream for builders on Celo. And that is why I haven't guessed today, because we have a few reward streams. You can find all of them on the Celo Public Goods page, but we also have builder rewards, and I'm very excited to have Simao here today from Talent Protocol. Talent Protocol is organizing. Hi Simao, good to have you. And Talent Protocol is managing the builder rewards for builders on Celo. So make sure that you like in the second round, I think, of your distribution is closing soon. So on the 1st, I think, of July, we will have another builder reward distribution. So make sure now Simao will give you an insight on how it works, how you get a lot of points, and how you make sure you get a lot of rewards.
There you go. Thanks, Lena. Thanks for the intro. Really happy to be here and to tell you a bit more about the builder rewards that we've built in partnership with Celo. Lena, is it okay if I share my screen?
Yes, please do.
Awesome. So let's get this working here. And let's bring up the right window. Cool. So you should be able to see my Farcaster on the browser here. And I've brought up the Celo Builder Rewards app, where you can see the status for your rewards, the ones that you will be earning and the ones that you've earned before, and also what you need to do in order to get your rewards in order for the next distribution, which, as Lena said, will happen early next week, with the calculation happening on the 1st of July and the distribution happening on the 2nd. So this program has been running for a couple of months now, and the goal is to reward real builders, people who are actively building on Celo, and to find them and reward them for the things that they build. It's a program that's a bit different from what is usually done in terms of attributing rewards to crypto builders, in the sense that we don't want you to do anything different than what you're already doing in order to earn these rewards. We want to be able to find you, to understand what you're building, and then to attribute these Celo rewards to keep you motivated in building. Of course, there's a few things that you should be doing if you're not doing already, in terms of your contribution to the Celo ecosystem, namely having your Prosperity Passport up to date, or signing up even for Talent Protocol, in order for us to be able to track this information about you, and to be able to find more information about your profile, about your builder profile, and about what type of things you're building and how you could be earning more rewards. So if we navigate into this how to earn tab here on the mini app, you can see that there's a couple of things that you would need to do. In my case, as a very low-level builder, would have to do in order to be considered for the Celo Builder rewards. So in this case, I would have to have a human checkmark on Talent Protocol, meaning that I have some form of KYC done on this platform. This means that, of course, I am a real human and I should be earning these rewards. I should have some altcoin transactions on Celo, so I should be active on the network. And there's even a little booster that we've added. If you're verified by stuff.xyz, you can earn more rewards. This is going to be updated in the coming distribution in the coming months to add new data points, new means of verification, and new score boosters. So you should really keep an eye out on this tab to see how you could earn more rewards. If you want to check your progress, and let's find someone here on our Talent Protocol platform. You can check your progress and how you're doing in terms of your Celo data points by navigating into the Celo tab, but also give a chance to the other tabs here and check how your data points and credentials are evolving on the Talent Protocol profile as well. The builder rewards, the Celo builder rewards, they're pretty interesting in the sense that it's not just attributing rewards, it's also attributing and giving visibility to builders. I see here in the chat that we're giving lots of props to Oliseh. And as a fact, this does seem to be a great builder on Celo. Our system is able to understand what they're building, and I mean this Quizzello on GitHub project, which creates an AI-powered quiz on the Celo blockchain. So this is pretty cool. You can navigate from here to their Talent Protocol profile to understand who this person is and how do they stand up against other builders on other networks, other ecosystems. So all in all, it's a great way for you to earn some rewards and some incentives and to keep building, which is, of course, the main idea of these sorts of programs. Did I miss anything, Lena? I think that was all.
No, that's perfect. Thank you so much. This is great. Thank you so much for joining today. And yeah, everybody just make sure you have your Prosperity Passport. I think that's just very important to kind of showcase your score and make sure you're registered with Talent Protocol, because anyways, like if you're registered, it's just good to understand your builder score for rewards all over the Web3 ecosystem. So thank you so much, Simao, for joining, and
thank you.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.
And we have another guest that I am also so excited to have us joining here, because he was once a hackathon builder as well, and maybe hopefully will join Proof of Ship. Welcome, Deka. Deka has been building cherry builders for now, I think 7 months since East Warsaw, right? And now we want to add that to Proof of Ship. I've been complaining about some people building alone, and obviously you shouldn't do that if you want to like scale your project and like be a successful founder. So now we are adding cherry builders to Proof of Ship, and Deka can explain you very quickly how to do it. You can also just scan this QR code and sign up, register for Proof of Ship, kind of like mark that you're like joining Proof of Ship, and then find people either to like join your team or to join a team. Hi, Deka. Great to have you.
Thank you, Lena. Yeah, thank you for the introduction. Yeah, this did actually start as a hackathon project and then kept going from there. I won't take too much time. Just like quickly show what it's like. It's really quite straightforward. So when you join for the first time, it asks you to sign up, and you just input a few information about what you want to build and who you're looking for. You can put in what your skills are and also what events you're planning to go to. So for example, so this is for Celo Proof of Ship number 6. You'll get a chance to find teammates like that. And then once you have that, you can just go to the find a teammate section, and yeah, for any person, you can say just sort of no or yes. You can see like you've got various things like POAPs, you've got the talent score, and if someone has, for instance, GitHub connected, you can actually see like what is this person building. And then once you decide you want to collaborate with this person, you can just send them a message. I'm not going to do it here, but doing this will they will receive this by email directly. If then from the email they match with you, you will see the people you matched with directly here in your chats. So really, really quite straightforward. Nothing more complicated than that. It's a very easy way to vibe check. You know, you can actually see what a person has built, what's their online presence before having to commit. And most importantly, you can start doing it today. You can, if you're looking to join Proof of Ship 6, you don't need to wait until it starts. You can start looking for the teammates now and start brainstorming, start talking to various people and form your team. So yeah, I hope people find this useful.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I think this is really great. Also here, again, a reminder, have a clean and active GitHub repository and a talent score. So you can add that and people swipe right and not left on you. Because that's sad. No, sorry.
You can also filter by skills and by the events. So in this case, you would be looking for someone who's on Silo, which I believe since I added Silo to Cherry yesterday, I think I'm the only one there. So if I do this, it will say there's no one there because I'm the first person there.
We will send some reminders in the next day so you can all sign up and then you can start swiping.
Amazing.
Thank you so much for joining. So cool. Very, very happy to finally have Cherry as like support for our Proof of Ship framework. We have some people who are always looking for teams. So I think this is a great way of just like also onboarding new builders. Everybody like who is in a team and is looking for a builder, make sure to sign up and like also share that you're looking for somebody like that. You can grow your teams in an amazing way. Thank you so much. We just like we have to move on because we have a lot going on today because the next thing is also, which we can't forget, obviously our community vote that congratulations. This is the order of the slide. Congratulations to all 53 projects that submitted this month and all of the builders that built amazing apps. And just a reminder, the community vote is still running for now 50 minutes. So we will now have 40 minutes for all the projects to present. We have 20 projects who each have 2 minutes to present and who always are amazing at keeping their time because I always have a little alarm to remind you that you can only talk for 2 minutes. And this is fun and this is great. So like everybody who's watching this get a very good quick intro on what people are building. So make sure that you are, let me just post the link also here. Make sure that you are voting for your favorite projects that you also can see now here. So if you like a project a lot, just go to this website and vote for your favorite projects. There is now also a Farcaster frame that you can use. So I would love next time we need to kind of like see if we can stream this on Farcaster so people can vote, right? Okay, this is where you can find it on Farcaster if you want to just like vote through Farcaster. If you have some Celo in your Farcaster wallet, for example. Just check out Ulisse and you will find it. Cool. And then now we finally get started with our builder showcase. And the first person, I believe, is Jerry. Jerry, I hope you're ready. And yes, where's your screen? Are you ready to share your screen?
Let me share my screen. All right, let's go.
Okay, you have 2 minutes. Let's go.
All right, hello everyone. It's good to be here. My name is Jerry, and I'm from the Ads Bazaar team. So I'm here to present Ads Bazaar. So Ads Bazaar is a decentralized influencer marketing platform revolutionizing the 21 billion influencer marketing industry with blockchain technology. We are currently deployed on the Stilo mainnet and we are live on Farcaster. So what problem are we solving? We're solving the influencer fraud crisis where 67% of influencers are unpaid, high platform fees, fake influencers. So what solution did we come with? We came in with a verified marketplace whereby we connect businesses with influencers. Our key innovations are true zero knowledge identity for verification, social media integration with Farcaster, and low fee. So let me get through the demo of how the platform works. So here's a video demo. So this is how it looks on Farcaster. So this is currently a business account. And this is like the marketplace where all these active campaigns are live. So this is like the dashboard of this particular business. And these are the campaigns he has created. And he has canceled one campaign. And this is his current campaign. So he's trying to check in the applications of this particular campaign. Okay, so after going through all the profiles of this influencers, he decides to assign this campaign to this particular one. Then he's waiting for the transaction. So when he selects the maximum number of influencers he wants, the campaign automatically starts. So he has assigned successfully. So let's switch to an influencer dashboard. So this is an influencer dashboard. And this is the marketplace. And this is how it looks for an influencer dashboard. These are the campaigns he has applied and he has been assigned. So this is dashboard. These are okay. So he got selected for this. That's why he has the selected ticker. So currently he could verify with Surf protocol. So we use the nullifier for this Surf protocol. So he needs to have a unique passport. So anytime he uses the passport that he has used before, he's not going to get verified. It's just one passport per one influencer. So that's it about Ads Bazaar. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. A great timing. Also for everybody, please check it out. I just launched a campaign there, so like make sure
Yes.
to check it out. It's really
This
fun.
is-
You can get one cello as a reward.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Jerry. Okay,
Thank you.
let's
Thank
move
you.
on quickly. And next up is Nasiruddin. Wait, where's all my people? Here, first person. Are you ready?
Yeah, Jam.
Jam.
So let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
So-
So hi everyone, my name is Nasiruddin Jimoh. So I'm leading the development for AfriCircle. So AfriCircle is a blockchain powered platform focused on solving one of Africa's most pressing challenges, which is waste management. So AfriCircle is a circular economy platform that incentivizes individual and communities.
Somehow your screen just looks black. Because you're just talking. Sorry. Okay, that was planned.
Okay, cool. So
Yeah.
So it incentivizes individual and communities to collect recycled waste, starting with plastic, electronic waste, and then metal. So we are using Web3 to create a kind of transparent and trustless system whereby waste collection is easy and can be rewarded and tracked often. So for this platform, we have two roles, a waste collector and a recycler. So when you log in as a collector, you have a dashboard that you'll be assigned, and then same as a waste collector is currently signing up. So this is a dashboard for a waste collector. Then we're signing up as a recycler. So this person has signed in as a recycler. Let me try to make it faster. Okay, yeah, a recycler, your name, your email, and then location. Then it navigates you to the recycler's dashboard. So to create a waste collection as a waste collector, you have to add your waste type, the weight of your waste, the location, the pickup time, and a particular recycler that is going to process your waste. So probably a recycler that is nearest to you or something like that. So when that has been done, your waste is going to be successfully verified. So as a recycler, when the recyclers pick up your waste, can you hear me, please?
I can hear you. Your 2 minutes are over. That's what's the alarm.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Let me just do a brief. It's been a while since I've presented. So so
I always say practice before.
Yeah, true. So you earn rewards from collecting waste, and it's going to be directly into your wallet that you've connected in CUSD. So as a recycler, whenever you process waste, you also earn rewards. So vice versa. That's how it just works.
Nice. Cool. And I saw you had some on-chain transaction. Did you already onboard a few people, or what are the updates that
currently we're on beta testing, and we've onboarded 17 people.
Yeah.
17 people. They are currently testing. Yeah.
Amazing. That's so cool. Nice.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for sharing. Very excited. I know you're in the incubator as well, and looking forward.
Yeah.
You go.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Nice. Perfect. Next up, we have Ibrahim. You're already sharing your screen. Look at that. So well prepared. And yeah, if you want to go, I saw you also had a good amount of transaction. I think the Divi campaign is really working. You're all motivated to, but you're also on Farcaster, right? I think that also helped. So nice. If you're ready, let's go.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Perfect.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay, so thank you for having me to present Pestify. Pestify is a festival sending greetings. It's an app that allows you to share love between loved ones. If you have your friends, your families, so it allows you to share on share love between your friends and families. So we have built a Pacasta games. If you visit Pacasta, you search for app, search the name Pestify. So this the app will show up. So as you can see the flow, you type in the recipient address that you want to send. After sending, you type the message. So this is a demo. I'm typing a Happy New Year or some just type any message. So after you type in, you click on
Happy Builders Day.
Yeah, Happy Builders Day. So this is some of the greetings that I sent. If you connected your wallet, you see some of the greetings that you have sent and the greetings that you have received. So next we are looking to add some, if you want to attach some cash, like some silos. So we give that, we are building that privilege so that you can send some silos to your friends. So now it is loading after filling up the forms. So give it some time to finish loading. Once it's loaded, you can confirm the transaction on your wallet. So after confirming the transaction, so the recipient will see the NFT in his wallet.
Very cool. I love that you can put money into the greeting card, because I just had it was just my birthday, so I'm expecting birthday cards from.
Yeah, so that's all the greetings that you have to.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Very cool. Yeah, right now I just saw you can only send the cards to people through their wallet address or also through the Farcaster name?
Yeah, it is through the wallet address, not through the
Okay.
Farcaster name. You have
Please,
to type it.
please add the Farcaster name so people can send me happy birthday card.
Okay, no problem. When is your birthday?
It's like
It
a
already
week
passed.
ago, 2 weeks
Oh,
ago.
it
It was 2 weeks
Oh,
ago. Yeah, you all missed it. I just wanted
Yeah.
to say.
Oh, sorry. Happy
I
birthday.
know. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's my birthday month. No worries. It's like
Okay.
it's never over.
Okay.
Thank you so much for presenting. And
Thank you.
next blessing. Who's next?
The next person is
Right.
Ayes.
No, I don't think he's here. I don't see him.
Maybe we can move on to John and Jerry.
Yes.
Yep.
Right. Wait. Yeah, John. John, are you ready?
Hey everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello,
Hey.
hello. Right.
Yeah, nice to connect again, Lina.
Nice to connect. Somehow I can't see your screen. Can you see?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Your screen is still
confirm
loading.
you can hear me, please.
I can hear you, and like I edit your screen, but somehow it's not visible. Can you like? It's weird. But
Okay, please hold on a sec. I will be starting now. Okay.
let me. Can you?
So I'm gonna be starting with a video. So yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Okay. We still can't see your screen, to be honest. Restart the computer. Can you try to like remove your screen and then add it again? Because right now we can't see it. Ugh. That's-
I mean, I wasn't expecting to be brought up now. It was supposed to
Okay,
be
no
someone
worries, no
else.
worries. Take your time. We just take. Right. Is Jeff is not here, no? No, I don't see Jeff. So then we already have Odysseus. Odysseus, are you ready? You are always ready, no?
Oh, sorry. Let me present. You guys caught me unawares. Let me just present. Share screen.
We're gonna be ready.
I get. Hey, you people. Even me now, I'm going to give up.
It's fine if you are not ready.
I think I shared the screen. Is it okay?
Yes, you share this.
Then I made a video.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
You made a video? Amazing.
Let me
So
start
cool.
the video.
Okay. So for everybody who doesn't know, Elisa built the community voting tool that you all can vote on. So like make sure to check it out. And your 2 minutes done now?
Okay, no worries. Here it is. So like, I think there's a sound in the video, but I'll just talk. So the subsidy is like this. For those who have seen, we have come from far to our new interface. So you can check the campaigns at the start. Then to start, you create. You can launch a campaign. Let me just put this sound. Why am I suffering? Create a project. There are some projects which are already created. Then if you go on the Explorer here, you can see projects that are live. So far we have 32 projects, it should be 31, Denzel might stay at times. Then we also have campaigns. We have ran more campaigns, but they are on the other thing. If I come on a campaign like Proof of Ship Zone 5, where you guys are doing amazing work, I can come and see which project to vote. So far it's like that. Then I can come. Voting is very easy. You can just vote
just you select the token you want to vote. You can say Celo, I'm off. CUSD, I'm also off. I can try with CUSD, and then I do 0.1, I guess, because I have a lot. They say that estimated funding, if I could go up, I'll see new 0.1 to the new vote 0.30, something like that. Then I can cast a vote. It will prompt a wallet connection, and votes, because in the interest of time, I'll just pause.
Okay, so that
so I guess that was it. If I just okay. So another thing we introduced is like you can now, there are the docs, you can always read how it works. They are always open to change. You can open our issue. Then if I go on my profile, which I should make the FC profile, I can see how many projects, what is my sort of balance, how many votes I've done. Then I can also see the identity here is like, now you can verify with Self Protocol. And then if you are verified with Self Protocol on any campaign, like this, I can just come and I claim a free vote on any campaign. Vote, then I can claim a free vote. And
Now
check my vote.
we need to stop this.
Oh,
But
my time is
your
over.
time is up. But what we will do very quickly, we will very quickly look at the current status. Right now,
Okay.
Faucet Drops is leading with Mint behind and Flappy Rocket. And yeah.
Who is the
Sorry.
last? You also check the last.
Huh? Who's
Who
the
is
last?
Yes.
Andrew. Andrew, you better. And then he's also presenting at the end. That was like not well planned of you, Andrew, today. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I guess more you guys can always ask, but that's literally
Yeah.
short of. Okay.
No, I mean, great job as always. There's a Farcaster app now, mini app now, so you can all vote. And next time you can even create your project to that. Cool. Next up is Papa. Bam, bam, bam. Right. I thought I added you.
Here, Mr. Papa.
I can hear Mr. Papa.
Aha, very good, very good. Okay, look, is my screen alive and cooking?
Your screen is, let me just, yes, you are ready to present. Did you record the video of when I tested out your app and now you're going to show that?
I wish I had it recorded. Oh my goodness, that would be spectacular.
That would have been great.
Yeah, you know, so Lena was very kind enough while she was in the middle of the Berlin Blockchain Week to get squatting halfway through and show the world exactly how it's done. I think it was around her birthday, so she was feeling a bit excited and giddy. So, you know, that's brilliant to have her on the leaderboard. Have my 2 minutes started? Shall I jump in?
Yeah, 2 minutes go now.
Okay, look, this is Imperfect Form, an on-chain fitness application, right, built on Celo that is designed to help users strive towards a healthier life, injury-free. You know, why is this important, right? And Mr. Blessing, I'm in South Africa, so we need to connect. Look, my family, we deal with diabetes. You know, we're suckers for the KFC and all those, you know, naughty things. And so what I found is that fitness is hard. Yeah, I love personal trainers, but they're expensive. Okay, online videos are great, but they don't connect. You correct your form. Yeah, they're free, but you don't get feedback. Okay, and you know, most apps can't tell you if you're doing it right. So look, I built Imperfect Form. It's live on Farcaster. You can also access it via the web app. And here's our 45-second video that just goes through exactly what you need to do. Yeah, when you go into the Farcaster mini app, yeah, it takes a few seconds for it to load, and it tracks squats, it tracks pull-ups, and it activates, and then you just get busy, you get going, you get cooking. All right, and look at this. I mean, my form is just about manageable, but you can see sometimes if my elbows don't get long, short enough, or I don't extend, or I don't, get my chest down to the ground and it says, sorry, buddy, we're not going to count that as a rep. And so what you do thereafter is you submit the transaction, and it's added to the leaderboard, which is available for and tracks user activity on Celo. And so we've got a real buzz of activity there, and it's a real honor to be building right in the middle of this vibrant ecosystem. You can get a sense of the leaderboard here. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much for building this and motivating me to do some sports, because I need that. I think we all should start doing sports. We all are developers, so we all sit too much in front of our laptop. So let's see, the person that is going to be on top of the leaderboard next month for the Builders Showcase gets 5 Celo from me.
Nice.
And from me.
My fitness journey is starting now.
Nice. Very cool. Okay. Thank you, Papa. Great app. We love it. And thank you for your energy as always. Amazing. And then we have
It drops.
John. I can see your screen now.
All right, perfect. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with a video. So as soon as my video starts, you can start my countdown, okay?
Okay, I will.
All right, cool.
And you're not going to talk, but you want us to read?
Okay, GM Builders, John here from Faucet Drops, and the last few seconds of the video has shown us an overview of what we do at Faucet Drops. So basically, Faucet Drops is all about making token distribution easy, and here's what our landing page looks like. We have our analytics dashboard showing the following details: daily transactions, new users, user claims, and then we also have it broken down. So we have a dashboard for all of our new users in the past month. We also have our user claims, and this is the claims per faucet. Okay. And so scrolling down, we can see our drop history, which are the drops that have happened in recent times. You can as well create your faucets here. And then I'm going to show us what it looks like for an admin dashboard, okay? So this is what a faucet looks like. And then checking the admin dashboard, you have your admin controls where you can set your parameters, your drop amount, start and end time for your faucet. You also have an admin power where you can add admins. You also can reset all drops, all claims in your faucet. And lastly, you have the activity log, where you can, see all activities within your own faucet, right? So for a user to claim, a user needs a drop code. So we'll go ahead to get the code now, and then this is what the user dashboard looks like. All the user needs to do is to paste the code here, and then the user is ready to claim from the faucet, okay? So it makes token distribution easy. And one thing we pride ourselves for at Faucet Drops is the fact that we're actually able to offer a gasless transaction, which means we pay for the gas fee from the back end, okay? So yeah, the token has been dropped successfully, and that's basically it from us at Faucet Drops. So thank you for watching, and we hope you love our products. We hope you use it to onboard the next million users. So until then, friends, cheers.
Wow. I love how everybody is on time today. This is and John, I also have a question. You had so many transactions on Celo, right? It was the most. I think you had by far. No? Wait, was it? I think faucet. Right, let me just check. Yeah, you had almost 99,000 transactions. Oh, what did you do? How did you do that?
So sorry, I didn't get that. Can you
You
come
had
again?
a lot of transactions. You had so many transactions. You had the highest amount of transactions, if my numbers are right. How did you manage? Do you want to share your secret?
Well, kind of. So about the transactions, right? Basically, so that is not the amount of drops so far. Okay, that is not the amount of drops that we've given out so far. So basically, what we've done is we are kind of engaging because we are still testing out with communities, right? And so basically we're trying to introduce a little bit of gamification to the process, right? So we have some small communities that we're currently doing some testings with, and basically what we expect them to do is they kind of try to join our drop list, because we're kind of creating a drop list, and then users who get qualified and enter into our drop list would automatically drop them tokens in the future. So we kind of pushed out these campaigns to some communities here and there, because, you know, I have a handful of community here in Nigeria at my disposal. So we've pushed out, you know, the link to them, and then we've told them to, you know, just all they need to do is click a drop list button on our screen, right? And so when they click the drop list button, we automatically have their wallet addresses, and so in the future, we would, you know, kind of shuffle and shortlist some, and then we'll add them to our drop list. And then, so when we launch fully, because right now we are still on Vercel, so when we actually host our own, you know, platform, and we're ready to like really go public, so we would be.
Okay, now your sound is
Is that my network?
Yeah, but it's fine.
Okay,
it's
so
perfect.
yeah.
Well, congratulations on 99,000 transactions.
Hello, I hope you got that, because I think my network, you know, it went off for a while.
We did. No, congratulations. Great job. This is how you promote your app. You all learned from John. Okay, next, blessing. Who is?
Flip the rocket.
First is like learner, no? It's Isaac.
Okay.
Oh, no. Okay. No. Because like you wrote learner is first, right? So then.
Oh yeah. It's Lena.
Okay.
Sorry.
Hi, Isaac. Are you ready?
Yeah. Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Where's your screen?
Hi, guys. Hi, folks. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, all right, awesome. Sorry, I'm trying to share my screen. Okay, so can you see my screen right now?
Yeah.
So is my screen up?
Yes, you can see your screen.
All right. So as my time to start counting now.
Yes.
Okay, before I proceed, I want to say happy birthday in advance to you, Lena, because I just got to know about that today. So,
thank you.
Yeah, my name is Isaac, and I'll be presenting Educaster. So, what is Educaster? Educaster is an open source educational learn and earn initiative built on the FACASTR mini app. You know, this was an idea that was born from the FACASTR, the just concluded FACASTR mini app. And our goal is to revolutionize and encourage learning through fun and engaging method. And you can all agree with me that nowadays, with the enormous amount of materials out there, it's quite difficult and to learn and reading through long-worded materials. Even personally, I don't do that. So we've got to understand that people need to be educated, and we are looking how to create a fun and engaging learning platform for people, and also to earn at the same time. So this is the problem we are solving, and our solution is we are leveraging artificial intelligence and the Celo platform and FACASTR mini app to be able to reach out to people and to build a better solution. So without much time, I would like to show the demo. I'd like to show the demo. Okay, so right now I'm in the FACASTR app, and I'll be okay. I hope you can see this right now. So this is the landing page. As a user, when you get to the landing page, you have the options to start the quiz immediately, but we recommend that you connect your wallet and also generate a passkey. There's a passkey that is going to be generated every week. Every learner requires a passkey for them to be able to save their scores on Chain. So with the passkey, you'll be able to access the on-chain benefits, like partaking from the payouts every week. You tried to say something.
Yeah, yeah, 2 minutes are over.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Unfortunately,
I was amazed
I wish I
at
can
you.
say further.
Well, Isaac lives in a timeless world.
Okay, all right. Thanks for the privilege, however, it's awesome.
Yeah.
And I'm
So
excited
if
to
you
do
want to
this.
learn about coding, play Isaac's game, and then you learn about different
Amazing.
coding languages. And this is also a game from the Quest
The
mini app Quest.
Yep.
Yeah. Isaac will have actually a second presentation. He's the only one with 2 projects. Which I normally don't recommend, but this was like if you build mini apps, you're allowed to build a main app and a mini app. Amazing, because now we have our next mini app. Thank you, Isaac. How? Oh my God!
Hello,
Everybody
everyone.
has to play that game. I got the 8. It's very hard and it's very fun.
Yeah, for new people, like it's a bit tough for new people.
Don't play it on your desktop though. You're gonna lose. Play it on your phone in Farcaster.
Actually, the best,
Huh?
the best way to play the game is on the desktop. If you are using mouse, it's very simple.
Okay.
It's a bit hint for the
You
people.
fixed that, or you're making fun of me? Because when I
No.
played that on my desktop, I just lost. I think also for instead of like doing a demo, just play for us.
Yeah.
Instead of doing a demo, we know it's a mini app. Just play the game and then
Oh.
show us how far you get on your desktop. Show us how easy it is.
Okay. Let me change my screen in.
You're the only person that is allowed to do a live demo today and not have a
Okay.
pre-recorded video.
So let me
Just
go
to show
my
everybody
mini app.
how easy it is.
Yeah.
It is okay. It's a mini app for new people who don't know the game. So this is Flappy Rocket, and let's load the game to start playing. And we can see like the top scorers here, and we can also see how much we scored. So let's start by paying 0.1 Cielo token to play the game.
If you don't have Celo tokens yet, just go to Bank of Celo and then you can get like Celo tokens there and then you can start playing Flappy Rocket. Oh, I totally forgot. I need to post.
Sorry.
Okay, I think we have to be a bit faster. I'm realizing we still have so many projects to show.
Okay.
So
Let me change my screen. No, I don't know how, but okay. Let me show the video in order to be faster.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
He's just
it's an arcade game, and in order to play, you have to pay 0.1 Cielo token, and this is for to avoid the spams. And let's go to the game. So first you can get an instruction on how to play the game, and you have to pass all the barricades that are in front. So let's skip the tutorial, and users can play the game by tapping the screen if they are on the phone, or by using the mouse if they are on desktop. So this is how you play the game. And as Lena mentioned earlier, with users' feedback, I've been making the game like a lot easier. And the continuous integration and continuous development is always on progress. So feedbacks are always welcome. So here I am like deliberately trying to fail to show the game. So you can see the score that you have, and you can play again, or you can also challenge other people to play the game. And as I said earlier, you can get Cielo rewards on the Farcaster. So I suggest everyone plays. Currently, we have over 30 Cielo tokens to the winners. So I hope everyone plays it. And in the coming weeks, we can add a referral for the game where users can add new people and get rewarded for referring to the game. And besides that, currently we have a good interaction on the game. If I show you once, sorry. let me show you the data. There are a lot of interactions on the game, like the total opens, the unique users, the total interaction is very awesome. And I hope to increase the interaction of the users with the game. So thank you.
Thanks. Thank you so much. I love how you deliberately lost, and that you mentioned that as well. Because we don't.
I think. Yeah, first when I started building the game, I was thinking for myself. So when I saw you play, I have to change the level of the game.
Okay. So I think next. Thank you so much for so much fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
If you build fun games that make me lose, I will give you a shout out. Hi, Gideon.
Hi, Lina.
Hi. How is Movie Meter looks like? Did you onboard your Telegram community? You have a new Telegram group, right?
Yes, I created a new Telegram group trying to move people there.
The exclusive group.
Yeah.
Group members. Okay. Well, your time starts now.
Okay, so Movie Meter is a place where you can catch up with whatever is going on in the movie industry. And we discovered that the movie rating and review system is broken because companies like IMDb and Rotten Tomatoes, they sell ratings and reviews as data to movie studios, which they use for marketing purpose and other purposes. But the users who contributed to those ratings, they don't get anything. So it's only fair that we give them a portion of voting on those movies, and a portion of what we will be selling to those movie studios as useful data. And so we made the voting process also so simple that you can just vote on a particular movie, whether it's a yes or no. And so we have the homepage where you can see a couple of trailers and some movies to check out, and also some movies discovered by AI and some news in the movie industry. And when you go to the movie section, you have a wide range of movies to vote on. And when you click yes for that particular movie, it sends a transaction. And when you approve it, it shows you voted on that movie. And what we are doing for next month is actually using account abstraction and smart wallets to kind of like hide the blockchain side of things to the normal movie lover. And we get to still track and reward them based on what they do. And if you haven't checked out moviemeter.io, you should do so now.
Okay. Yes, check it out. Perfect timing. Just a reminder, if you don't present as a mini app next time, you are not invited to the top 20.
Actually, we have a Farcaster mini app live, so I'll do that.
Okay, then I have no idea why you did not present that.
Yeah.
Next time.
Next
cool. Next time is Shigozi. Are you perfect? Thank you, Gideon. Shigozi, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let me share my screen. Sorry. Can everyone see my screen? Can you hear me?
Yes. Now we can see the screen. Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay, all right. Good day, everyone. My name is Chigozie. I'm the creator of EventChain, which is a decentralized event ticketing management system based on the Celo blockchain. So I've done a lot of integration, but this one is the one I'm currently presenting now is based on Passports. So I integrated Passports self protocol to it, in which user cannot register for an event except they verify if an age minimum is set for that event. User cannot register except they verify with their self protocol, except with their self ID. But if there's no age limit,
then they can do that registration. They can do that registration. They can do that registration. They can do that registration, and also if this is where they do the verification, and once they are done with the verification, they can register. They can register, do that computer registration and register for the events.
The black box, yeah. Anyone.
Hold on. So once you register, you can request for a refund. So the main idea concept here is the use of the self ID for to verify if you are a human, and also to restrict age, those that can apply for an event. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hello. Can't keep me standing here, please. Close this thing.
You on mute?
I'm so sorry. I realized I was muted. Isaac, 2 minutes. Start now.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. I'm presenting Simply Finance. I would like to share updates on what we've been building so far for the couple of weeks. And first of all, I would like to recap on what Simply Finance is. Simply Finance is a platform, a digital platform for lending and borrowing on a short-term basis. So here, this picture explains perfectly what we are doing. You can see there are 4 people here I will use as an example. They all send some amount of funds to the pool, and after the pool is completed, the whole amount is sent to one person. So, and the person has a short time to return this money to the pool, and the money, the balance is also sent to the next person. So the process continues until the last person got their share. So I would like to show the updates on what we've done so far. Currently, we recently deployed on the Celo mainnet, and we are excited on this milestone. And from here, we added a new feature, which is a provider feature. What provider feature does is that if you have some stable coins in your wallet you are not using, and you want to save them, so on a platform you can just provide liquidity. When you provide liquidity, the flexible users can take your money, can engage your pool, and when your pool is engaged, you earn interest on that. So it's quite risk-free. And instead of you investing in some risk platform, so you can leverage our provider section to deposit your stable coin and earn interest on that. So I'll just try to fast track. Here you can see me, I'm trying to provide liquidity from this side, and the other side here I want to create a pool, and this pool is that I want to send some amount of money to the pool. So when it is I'm the creator, and as a creator I can set all the parameters, so I'm free to set the parameters. So this is why we are different from other protocols that are quite complex, because our protocol is very flexible. You have the opportunity to set all the parameters as you want. And another one here, I'm trying to send the transaction to the blockchain. So basically this is what we've achieved so far in this season, and we are very grateful. We are very excited for this, and we say thank you for giving us this privilege. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and looking forward to seeing like some more users on your platform, and like just for testing. Thank you, Isaac. Okay. And then we have Vladimir. Hi, Vladimir. Great to have you back.
Hi. Can you hear me good?
Yes, I can hear you.
Great. Okay, I have a pre-recorded video, so I will start it now. It is about the stable SL to buy and sell USDT in Sierra Leone. This is a wallet. It's opening in the browser of the wallet the application stable-SL PDJ app, and then you have to type there the phone number the phone number that you use with Orange Money, that is the payment method, and the name that you have in Orange Money. This was recorded by my friend Amadou Success, my partner. He did it from Sierra Leone. Second step is that he selects how much he will buy in leons. And the next step is he confirms the information and checks that everything is fine and continue. Then he has to do the payment. He's copying there the phone number where he has to send the money. He opens the Orange app application. That's a different application, of course, it's not ours. He types his password and he puts the number that was given by the stable SL. He puts this number there, and he after will put the amount of money that he has to send. This one is configured with my Orange Money, but we will configure with his. He's copying the amount. It must be precise amount that he proposed to buy. This is in leons, and after he confirms, he has to type his password in Orange Money, and then the backend will see the payment, and it will show complete. Then he can go to his wallet, and he will see the amount that he bought. That's the all.
Okay, amazing. I'm so impressed. You worked amazing job on improving the user experience and the whole design. It looks so much better now.
It works now in mainnet. It's really working. We still don't have this is the on-ramp working. The off-ramp, we are still working on it, but it's going.
Nice. I have one. I actually let's chat. Send me a reminder. I have a friend in Sierra Leone who could also become part of your testing crew. So yeah.
How about him? Great. Thank you.
Oh, of course. Thank you so much. Great updates. And then hi Miri. How are you doing?
Very good. Hi Lina. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay.
This is always my favorite part of the month.
Wow. I know your birthday is coming up very soon.
Not my birthday. No, that's a lie.
Been 2 weeks ago.
You need to share your screen.
Okay. Sorry. All right. Can you see my screen?
I can.
All
Cool.
right. So
2 minutes start now. By the way, deadline to vote is 4:30, in 20 minutes.
All right. All right. Good day, everyone. I'm Emiri Udogu, presenting Esusu, where we serve as a community and grow as one. So Esusu essentially has 3 main features: the personal savings feature, the group savings feature, and the utility-based payment. So for now, the based payment feature is ongoing both on Fracasta and on MiniPay. On the site tester. So we have a small community that we're using to test our products out. They've been paying for utility on our platform. And interestingly, we implemented these good dollar claims. So essentially, when you have face verification on good dollar, you can claim UBI daily. So when we started this campaign, or when we integrated good dollar claims, at first, good dollar was giving 65 good dollar token. Over time, it has increased to 75, I believe, based on, the number increases based on the usage. Our users do get this claim, right? But based on the fact that most of them are not Web3 natives, so what we do is that, we 10S this claim from good dollar, and they use it to give them data bundles and airtime recharge cards so that they could make calls. So it's more like a way of showing our non-crypto native users some of the utility of blockchain systems. And we did a whole lot of integrations. We also tested our mystery box idea. We built It's an idea we're supposed to build into the Isuzu Farcaster frame. Well, we did it differently, and it actually turned out to be one of the top 100 used frames on Farcaster at the moment. And for some reasons, the good dollar face verification didn't work on Farcaster because of the camera processing, so users could not verify their faces. So we're thinking of ways to go around that so that our users on Farcaster can also claim their daily free bundles from good dollar integration. So thank you very much for this run.
Thank you for sharing all of the updates. Also, Emir will list his project on Cherry, and then he's looking for a lot of team members. So just write Emir. He needs marketing support because he doesn't have a Twitter account for Isuzu.
Yeah. Thanks for marketing that. That was like a commercial.
Okay, cool. Look for Isuzu on Cherry Builders. Nice. Giloko, hi Giloko, great to have you back. I know last month you were busy hosting a workshop for building on Cello, and that's why you could join. So it's great to have you back, and I know you're coming with some updates.
Yeah, we haven't been on call for a while, so a few updates to share. Let me just run through introduction of what 3WB is. Has my time begun?
It's now.
Okay. So basically, we've refined our business model. 3WB is basically now a platform where you can invest in three-wheelers with a listed as $45 and earn a 75% ROI within 60 weeks. So a few years ago, I was living in Kumasi, and I realized that tuk-tuks were the primary form of transport in that region. And upon further research, it proves that across Africa in suburban regions, that regions are recently feeling the urban migration, have this platform where they're always on tuk-tuks. So the first part of the video was me demonstrating you buying a fraction. And this part of the platform is for the drivers, where they go to pay their membership and they go to pay their weekly fees for the cars we have. So we have 2 cars on the road, and this is one of our drivers' accounts. And this is me doing a demo of me paying one of their tickets using CashRamp. And CashRamp is a P2P service. So what you're seeing here is me sending cash to an agent, and then bam, 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 boom, we get deposited the dollar equivalent, and then the driver has paid for his weekly dues, and then he's able to claim like a receipt for that after, and that's in the end of the video. Right, after payment is done. So far we've made like $1,000 in revenue so far since about April. And these are just a few updates to the platform. So we made like an invite section where you can refer people to come and buy fractions of a tuk-tuk. And then we have some incentive aligned for those who do invites, and incentives aligned for those who own fractions of a tuk-tuk. We also integrated like an on-ramp here where you can deposit CUSD with CashRamp and then buy some fractions. And those are the updates for 2 months, I guess.
That's amazing. And it's perfect. You are all doing an amazing, except Isaac.
No.
No, great on time. I'm so sorry, Isaac, but you also had 2 times. So
That's very one of the best.
Giloko, I'm excited that this is really amazing how you like. I think before you had just like too many different things going on, and now it's much clearer what people can do. And I think especially like for the global market, the investment part is the more interesting thing, right? And if you want to present this to like the drivers, then it's like a different thing. So
I'm beginning to learn like different crowds have different things they're interested in.
So you can't do everything. Then people are confused.
Yeah. There's been a lot going on, but then what we tell you is the simplest form of it. If you have $45, you can be part of the tuk-tuk revolution in Africa.
Tuk-tuk revolution.
I love how you make it localized, especially catering for the problems within your community. Like that's a very good approach. Yeah. Amazing.
There's a long plan, but we have to take it easy and not say everything. Thank you
But
guys for always being
thank
nice
you
and
so
hosting
much
us.
for the updates. Looks really
All right.
great. Thank you so much. And then we have Andrew. Look at that.
It's
And
being
the
ready.
contest is still running. Let's see if you're still last.
Hi guys, I'm sharing my screen already. Hi.
Wait, I need to do that. Sorry, that's on me. Yes, yes.
No problem.
You did a
Thanks.
rebrand. Can you explain to people what is canvassing, what is PAX, and you did like PAX is now in the App Store. What is what, and is this a rebrand or is this a product from canvassing?
Okay.
Maybe you
All
will
right.
tell us that right now.
Yes, I will. Guys, welcome to Canvassing. Canvassing delivers microtasks, which are rewarded in tokens. And we have a product by ourselves. So we have like two important entities, participants and researchers. So for participants or people who are giving us, who are participating in microtasks, we have a app called PAX. So it's PAX by Canvassing. So that's what we have at the moment. It's live on the Google Play Store. You sign in with Google, you link a good dollar verified withdrawal method, complete your profile, and then you claim some achievements. So what you see on the right is the app. So you first, once you launch the app, you will get some tasks. It's just, sorry, give me a minute. Yeah. A little bit slower. Yeah. So that is the homepage of the app. When you get a task, you check the task out, and then you are screened on chain. So all our transactions are abstracted using the Pimlico bundler and Paymaster. So you basically do the task as you can see on the screen. Someone is completing, trying to answer some questions the way you would, the way we were doing it with the MVP. And so once this is complete, the person submits, and then once they submit, their contract, which we create for them, is rewarded automatically, and they receive a nice notification there. And then once they're done, they can go and withdraw that particular asset through the same product. So this they withdraw to the method they provided when they were connecting. So here you set the amount, and
Wait,
then
that screen is not there anymore.
okay, sorry, present, I think something, okay, and I thought, yeah, that is it. Yeah, that's it. I'm sharing. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
it. And
So
let me
the
quickly
demo,
share.
and yeah, so I think for the next project, we want to now work on making Canvassing a business by bringing paid researchers. So about 1 to 5. So I think that's the way we plan to progress. And then we also have, like, this is now a more private product for just researchers, because that is the only way we can stay sustainable. And we want to grow to about 500 downloads on the Play Store. So you can check us out. You can scan the QR code, download the app today. And if you have a good dollar verified wallet that you can receive rewards, just link it. And then whenever we have rewards, you will be notified. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Great progress. Love that you're live now. Looking forward to hearing about the 500 downloads next month.
Exactly. Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, and then we already have Vicky Panda. You were on at the Kenya Blockchain Congress with Quest Panda, so I think you have a lot of updates. I'm very excited for that. So yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are ready to go. 2 minutes start now.
Okay, nice. Okay. So my name is Lee Kinzeru. I'm a builder from Kenya, and today I will be presenting to you this amazing app which we have been building, I and my team. So right now in the Web3 space, there are thousands of apps and products which are launching day to day. Like for example, in this meeting, this conference, we have more than 20 builders who are showcasing their products. And one of the biggest challenges is getting your product to the market, and that's where Quest Panda comes to bridge in the gap. So what we are doing is that we are enabling brands, small brands, to be able to use content creators and influencers to market their apps, their products to the public. So like Quest Panda basically is connecting TikTok creators, Instagram influencers with small brands that want to attract users. So let me go through. Let me show you the demo of the product. So right now I'm on the Quest Panda web application. So just visit questpanda.xyz. On the homepage, you can see various quests which have been posted by different brands. And for this, we are going to create a quest. So whereby you, as a brand, you are able to create a quest by filling very basic details. You tell us what's the name of your brand, what do you want the content creators to do. So after that, you just then you come and specify you are looking for content creators or influencers on which platforms who can come and assist you to market your product. So you can specify TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, depending on your what you want.
Okay, your time is up. Just like very quickly, how many people did you onboard at the conference? How was it? I saw you had like a little roll up, you had a little quest. How did it go?
So on that day, on the conference, we were focusing on onboarding brands who can be able to bring in Quest on our platform. So we are having some conversation with the Bybit Africa team. So like one of the quests on the Quest Panda page was created by the person in charge of marketing. So we did a live demo with the person. They gave us some feedback, and that's what we implemented on our product for this proof of ship.
Very cool.
And we have also some other brands we got to interact with. We received some similar feedback, which we are working on.
Okay, exciting. Okay, next time I will see some brands on your platform. Looking forward.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much. Okay, Elias, I'm not sure. Are you ready now? Otherwise, I know Felix is ready. Elias, I think you joined a little bit late. Get ready now. And Felix, please share your screen.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Let me share my screen. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Okay. So I'll be playing my recorded video.
Yes.
Hopefully that will make it fast.
Your video does not have audio.
Okay, it's not clear. Let me just do it myself. So Mobata is a platform that helps users make use of stable coins for their day-to-day payments. So we're trying to provide an environment whereby users feel comfortable leaving their savings, their funds as stable coins, and also use it in that same form to make payments, like especially recurring payments. So currently, these are the key features we have: bill payment, on and off ramping. Then for the save and end, where it's not yet, we don't have that yet. So some of the core payments will actually integrated for the users is airtime and data funding of betting wallets, such as BetNiger and the rest. Because these very products, we are starting in Nigeria, since I'm based in Nigeria. So most of the bill payments here are Nigerian-based providers. Then we also have the ability to buy gift cards as well. So I will play the video of the mobile app when it comes to purchasing airtime. Take it back. Because currently we're working on our mobile app. So when you log in, this is being powered by ThirdWave. So here we have the traditional Web3 wallets, and all the transactions is being abstracted using account abstraction from ThirdWave. So a user can be able to buy airtime easily using any of these stable coins. But over time, we aim to increase it to support more native currency like Nigeria, since we now have Naira as a stable coin. So we also have the ability to buy electricity bills using your stable coins as well.
Okay. Okay, finish off. We have like a few seconds to finish.
Okay. And lastly, this is funding of betting wallet for those who are acquainted with betting. So you're familiar with these platforms. So on a high level, these are the key payment providers we've been able to integrate. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Looking forward. Yeah. Thank you so much for presenting. I think that was the last. And then we can now go. Wait a minute. Alisa, are you here? Let's check.
Yeah, I'm still alive. I'm still here. I'm still breathing.
Okay. Well, how does it look? I don't look at you. You're not on place number 6. You're not doing bad. Okay.
You vote for me before it ends. Show people how to vote by voting for me. Yes, you vote for me.
Very smart, very smart. I think, like, I have to say, my favorite, my personal top project is also on place number 2. Now, obviously, I can't vote in front of all of you for like what I want to vote for, but yeah, I don't know. What was your favorite project today, Blessing? Like new project or best updates? Let me vote in a secret other thing.
Let's keep watching the changes.
I
think we have like 2 minutes left.
I really enjoyed the 3.
Are you saying it? Yeah. I thought I was sharing my screen. Now I realize I didn't do that. I was like, okay. Well, Floppy Rocket is right in second place, which I approve of.
The hardest game in the world.
I just found when I staked all my zeros, so I can't vote for anyone. They on me.
I stake also so much Cello. You did it for the reward stream distribution? Or where did you?
I put too much Cello there, and it's paining me. I would have voted and.
No, it's like it doesn't. It's crazy, no? Okay, what are also my favorite updates?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
How many? 1 minute left and no one votes me. 1 minute. Oh, I'm in number 1. I'm kidding. I'm not there. 1 minute.
Oh my god, 1 minute left.
Andrew is going to come from back and put 300. Andrew. Where did 3-wheeler bike go? I don't think I saw them presenting.
What? Kiloko was presenting.
Yeah.
3-wheeler bike was one of my favorite projects. I don't know where they went.
I think you did it. They did an amazing update. I agree. They did a great job.
That's one of my favorite projects, because I can really see how it can also be used here in SA, because there's a lot of people who like put money together to buy like Uber cars and all those things. I was thinking
Wow. Maybe
to
you're
be
gonna be three-wheeler bike club ambassador in South Africa, and you're gonna set up the
if they
Hey,
accept me. It's
I
cool.
refresh, and you see the changes have happened. There's someone who has updated.
Let me refresh.
I think
Did
it should be
Samantha is
also.
getting more votes?
No
Oh
time.
my god. Wait, what's going on? I just
No,
saw. Did you see that? Suddenly, sorry.
You thought I was the first. Oh, this network thing is also. Yeah. Your favorite projects are the three-wheeler bike came and went in position. It took my position. That's not good.
That is
is
not
there still?
good.
Oh, and you can't edit a campaign that has ended.
And you I think Vladimir should be so happy because Vladimir requested that you add good dollar and self verification, and you did that this month. So you
Yeah, I-
definitely. Oh, it's ended. It ended. It's over.
Yeah, it's over. I added this, and there's a contract, a proxy for pay for voting for people when you do when you are self-verified. Those one cello, but it's
Yeah.
currently empty. The first it was drained quickly, so I have to again put more. These people don't want me to win.
Okay, so just send them to Bank of Cello. We have 400, almost 500 votes. Amazing. And Ditsemand won, even though they did not present. There you go. Flappy Rocket. Congratulations, Paul. Wait.
Congrats.
I kicked
Where is
Paul
Benjamin?
out earlier. I kicked him out because we need space, but now I wish he would be here so I can congratulate him. Congratulations, Paul. Congratulations, John. Wise. Also, congratulations, Kiloko. Great job, Gideon. And then, everybody did an amazing job here. Look at that. Elisa, you're on 7th position.
No, it's not good. At least I never voted any vote. All votes are from my friends.
Oh,
who
look,
are-
Andrew did not.
Yes, I had zero. Even
What?
gas fees I had.
How the mighties have fallen.
Next time I'll come with anything.
Congratulations to you because it's your platform, right? So you're actually the ultimate winner here.
How is
You got
this
all
way?
these people to use your platform. Congratulations, man.
Oh, thank you very much. So you can't access the admin and distribute, or I just see I do because I
Oh, look, Elias is there from Ditsenman. Congratulations on winning the community vote. Great community.
Congrats.
Great. He's not saying anything. That's okay. Well, anyone, I will just end this live stream now. Thank you everybody for watching. This was fun. Thank you for joining, and see you next month.
Guys.
Yeah.